Today we're working on double verb translations. That also is the different way to say two verbs in a row. So if there are two consecutive verbs, you're going to conjugate the first verb and leave the second verb alone. And just as a note, and I had mentioned this before, when you use a title before a person's name, use el or la if you were speaking about that person, not to the person. So let's look at the first sentence. We shouldn't open the books from Señora Sevilla. We are looking first for verbs, and I recommend that you underline your verbs. You have should and you have open. Once you have two verbs in a row, those verbs are married, they belong together. You should not separate them. That means that not is going to need to go before the should. So we look at the sentence, and we have we, which is optional. You don't have to put the nosotros because it is not in one of the bottom two boxes. Now we have the no. Now we have the verb should. Should, ought, or owe is deber. And if you're like me and you know the song The Bear Goes Over the Mountain, then you can sing the bear should go over the mountain, the bear should go over the mountain. I hope you're laughing. All right, so you have should. Deber is an ER verb. You're going back. We. Conjugation. Deber is ER. We is in the blue, so I go to the blue here. My ending then is hemos. So nosotros no debemos. That's my first verb. It's conjugated. Then we have open. To open is abrir. I do not conjugate it because there is nothing between those verbs. No comma, no word, nothing. They're right in a row. Okay, then we have books. Make sure that you are making that plural. Now we have from, which is they. Oh no, we have Señora Sevilla. That's me, by the way. If you are talking about the person, what do you put before their name? El or la. You're talking about me. You're not talking to me. So you have de la, and then you have Señora Sevilla. If you are in my class, I will not count off for this, but the Señora should not be capitalized. Let's just look at the others to make sure you see where the verbs are. So you have should, wait. Those are your two verbs in a row. You have need to clean, and that second verb right here is screaming at you that that's an infinitive. You don't conjugate it because it has the to in it. Please remember, this has does. You're in a question, so you're getting rid of the does. The not has to come before the verb, but the whole need to clean should go before Mr. Saunders. Just be careful as you're going. There are only 6. And that concludes double verb translations.